Great, thank you.
Yeah.
And thank you to, I don't know if any of the organizers, I know Eugene is not here right now, but I just wanted to give a shout out to the organizers of this beautiful festival. I know it's not easy to put something like this on. Yeah, you will love it. They'll feel it wherever they are. Like, whoa. Feel loved up all of a sudden. I don't know why. And thank you all for being here. It's really a different experience when there are more people here, so the energy just expands and expands, so thank you for coming. I want to give a shout out too to the beautiful people that are sitting up here with me. This is Ari Mansell on the violin. All the way from Edmonton. We're all from Edmonton. Where we land. This is Chris Salashuk beside me. And he might play some sitar at the end. We had a little sitar jam if you missed that to begin with. Beautiful. Yogi. And this is Tyler. I don't know how to say your last name. Pettis. On percussion, just kind of stepped in to do percussion. Thank you very much.